how to find broadcast name settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find broadcast name settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any broadcast you want, like this one here, and after you click on it just click in the top here, and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Just click on it, and here you will find change broadcast list name, and here you can change it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.